Hey, this is Sharon in my kitchen, and today I'm going to make one of Hamp's favorite menu items, and that's hamburger. He loves hamburger, but because Hamp is diabetic, we can't use it, make it the traditional way. So he started using leaves instead of the bread, because the bread shoots his sugar up so high that I'm into the mid to upper 200s, because he'll eat 2 hamburgers. That's 4 things of bread, and it's 4 buns, and so that's just too much. 4 bun halves, 2 buns. Anyway, and so he started doing it with just the lettuce, using that instead of the bread, but because he has one hand, he couldn't hold on to it, so it kept falling out. So I said, well, suppose I make him a hamburger salad. So I told him what I was going to do, and he turned his nose up like he normally do when I say something new, but that's okay. I knew what I was doing. In my mind's eye, I knew this was going to be a winner. So I made it for him, and he loved it. So here I have some romaine lettuce. I'm going to shred that up. I got some mushrooms, portobello mushrooms. I'm going to saute along with some sauteed onions that I have here. I have his favorite cheese, which is pepper jack cheese. Then I have some more fresh onions I'm going to put in his salad, because he likes the fresh onions too. And I got some tomatoes here I'm going to put in his salad. Over top of all of that is his Vidalia onion vinaigrette, his favorite salad dressing. And then, of course, I've got his hamburger patties up here. I don't know if you can see them. 2 big ones. I think each one's a quarter pound. He bought those, of course. So those are up there cooking now. And by the time they finish, I should be ready to put everything in my bowl. So since I am recording today, and I'm trying to hurry and get this done before Hamp comes home, you'll be able to see pretty much the rest of it. Once I get my lettuce and everything in here, like my salad, then I'm going to put my onions on it and my tomatoes in there. And once I do that, I'll chop up my hamburger into bite-sized pieces, and then I'll be able to put it in here, right there, and make sure it's nice and hot. I'm going to put some pieces of cheese, some slices of this cheese on top of it, and then scoop that and put that right on top of the lettuce. This is going to be so good. So I know you're not going to be able to see all the steps. I'm going to try to take pictures of everything in between, but I'm going to raise Hamp. Took my car to get it washed today, so I'm going to try to go ahead and have this ready, because he's going to be hungry when he comes back.
Hey, I wish you could see yourself just sitting there on my chair. I'm staring at you, you don't even notice. Should've told you straight away, you don't have to be afraid.